Hello, I am Ayushi More from Group 5. We have implemented our project using PyCharm IDE. To run our project, I have to execute the command python manage.py run server and hit the enter button. I have to wait until the link is provided. See, the link is provided. It means that there are no error in the code. But I have to click on this link to start the development server. See, the development server has started, and this is the login page of the system. If the user is new to the system, user can take help of chatbot by clicking on this logo. The chatbot will open. Chatbot will solve all the queries of user, like how to segregate waste at home, what are the types of waste, and etc. So now let me give you the demo. We will ask the system that how to use this system. So let's see what chatbot will reply. See, the chatbot has replied that a website to make the user collaboratively manage waste in different communities. So chatbot has replied in short that first user has to register into the system with the details, and with that registered credential user has to log in into the system. So first click on the register button and generate the username. I have generated the username Ayushi14. User has to enter the email address ayushimore1@gmail.com. User has to generate the password that must be 8 character long. It must contain at least one capital letter, one special character, and some numeric values. And then click on submit button. By clicking on submit button, the registration will get done. And see, the system has given the message that you have been registration successfully. Now click on login button. Now enter the username that you have registered, that is ayushimore_14. Enter the generated password. Check the password whether it is correct or not. Yes, it is correct. Click on submit button. Yes, you have successfully logged in into the system. The system has given the message that you are now logged in as Ayushi More 14. This is the home page of our system. The system has given these services that system provide the services like waste disposal and waste recycle. Below the images, there are certain information given about the services. This is the home page. As you can look down by scrolling this page. If the user has successfully logged in to the system and user don't know how to do next, then he can click on this logo and take the help of chatbot. That what to do after login. See, the chatbot has replied that if user has logged in into the system and if user has some generated waste, user can dispose of that waste. And if user has logged in as a waste collector, if he has to buy some waste, he has to select the recycle tab. So user can select the disposal and recycle tab through this navigation bar, as well as from this services by clicking on the images. So let's click on the image. I have clicked on the waste disposal image. So this form has opened. User has to dispose of the generated waste by filling out this form. So let's fill the detail. Jyoti Sharma. Enter the contact number 83081727889. Select the community from where the waste has generated, that is household. Select the waste type, that is plastic, paper, metal, glass or organic. Glass. select quantity of waste, that is 15 kg, and click on submit button. By clicking on submit button, the details of the user has been stored to dispose of the waste. The system has given the message, as you can see, your disposal form submitted successfully. If the user has logged into the system to buy some waste, then user can click on recycle tab. So by clicking on recycle tab, this form has opened. So before filling this form, user can first check whether the required waste type is available or not. Um, because if the waste type is not available, there is no need to fill out the form. So let's check whether the glass waste type is available or not. Search. By clicking on search button, look what system has searched. Yes, the waste type is available. So now user can fill out this form to buy the product. Ayushi More. Contact number. User has to enter the WhatsApp number and it must be only 10 digit, otherwise it will give an error. The community, waste type I've already selected, glass, and click on submit button. By clicking on submit button, the data of the waste collector will get stored into the database and the list of waste generator will be displayed. So there are 3 people who have the glass waste type available with them. So out of this 3 waste generator, I have to select one. So I will select the first waste generator, Divya Pali. And through this page, waste collector can contact the waste generator via call, message, and WhatsApp message by clicking on the logo. So let's click on the WhatsApp logo to contact the waste depositor. So look, the system has generated the message by itself that I need waste, glass waste for recycling. So the message gets sent to the waste depositor so that we can contact the waste depositor and later we can collect the waste from the specified address which has specified by the waste generator at the time of filling the form. That is Mankapur, Nagpur. So this is all about the working of our system. Then by clicking on logout button, user can log out of the system. This is all. Thank you.